In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Classroom on laptop, install Classroom in laptop. By the end, you'll have Google Classroom set up like a standalone app on your laptop, so it opens in its own window and is easy to access. Start by opening your web browser, ideally Google Chrome, and head to Google's homepage. In the search box, type Google Classroom Login and press Enter. On the results page, look for the official result that says Google Classroom Sign In. Click that. If you're prompted to choose an account or continue, simply click Continue. If you use a school or work account for Classroom, make sure you're signed in with that account before moving on. Once Classroom loads in your browser, we'll install it as an app. Look to the top right of Chrome and click the three dots to open the browser menu. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Save and Share. In that section, select Install Page as App. Depending on your browser version, this might appear as Install App or a similar option, but it will be in the same area. A small pop-up window will appear to confirm the installation. This window shows the app name and asks if you want to install it. Click Install. Chrome will create an app version of Google Classroom and open it in a clean, dedicated window without the usual browser tabs and address bar. This makes it feel and behave more like a native app on your laptop. Now, let's find it. Go to your desktop or home screen and look for the Classroom icon. You'll also find it in your Start menu with your other apps. To keep it handy, right-click the Classroom icon on your taskbar while it's open and choose Pin to Taskbar. That way, it stays there even after you close it. If you don't see the icon right away, use the Windows search bar. Click the search button on your taskbar, type Classroom, and select the app from the results. You can also right-click it there to pin it for quicker access in the future. That's it. You searched for Google Classroom, signed in, opened the browser menu, chose Install Page as App, confirmed the install, and then located and pinned the app so it's always just one click away. This setup keeps Classroom easy to launch and helps you stay focused on your assignments without juggling browser tabs.